In the world of internet marketing, online reputation management is crucial. It is perhaps the most critical aspect of e-marketing. With the growing number of internet users, managing the online reputation of your company can be a complex process. While many companies deal with clients, SaaS companies cater to businesses that require a solution to specific problems. SaaS organizations play an important role in enhancing business efficiency. Therefore, maintaining a positive online reputation is essential for these companies. Studies show that most customers depend on social interactions and online reputation to decide about a brand or a company. This makes it crucial for organizations, especially SaaS companies, to maintain a healthy reputation. Answering customer queries correctly and balancing customer engagement are few ways SaaS companies can follow to build a positive online presence. Tips to manage online reputation in SaaS companies. The bad reputation left by some online businesses in the past has dampened the whole e-business process. So if you own an e-commerce website or a blog, the following tips may be helpful for your online reputation management. Here are the tips for online reputation management for SaaS companies. Retain your customers. This is perhaps the best thing to do to get your online reputation management for SaaS companies back on track. Retaining your customer data will help you save money. It will also help you get more repeat business from these same customers in the future. Build a customer database. The quickest way to build a good reputation online is to get a large customer database of your own. This is also a good way of making sure that you don't lose a customer before buying something from you. There are many ways to do this. You can acquire a list from an online resource. You can ask your existing customers for a customer database. You can create your customer database, or you can use the services of a professional service. Maintain your reputation online. After you have gained a good reputation, the next best thing to do is to maintain it. The internet is a very vicious place, and there are many people out there who will try to tarnish your image to make themselves look good. Therefore, by acting promptly and responsibly, you can mitigate the effects of such efforts. Your reputation management strategy should therefore include an effort to get your name clean of these negative mentions. It would also help if you stopped using abusive words or phrases in your emails and blogs. Monitor your reputation. Monitoring your reputation online is not enough. You also need to take proactive steps to ensure that it stays in good standing. This can be done by asking other customers about the experience they had with your company. You can also get in touch with organizations specializing in reputation management and hiring them to conduct surveys, analyses, and evaluations about your company. Online reputation management is quite crucial when it comes to selling a company online. It takes time to build up a good reputation online, and it can take a lot of effort and hard work to get it back. However, once you do, the rewards can be significant. Conclusion: customers mainly value online reviews when they are looking for products or services. A positive online reputation makes your brand and company look more trustworthy and is valued by consumers. Therefore, SaaS companies need to be active on social media platforms and use sound digital marketing strategies to get their brands close to customers. Once the online presence is established, many tools like Google Alerts and social mentions help you maintain positive online reputation management. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.